Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to edit video in Descript. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to edit videos in Descript, you're going to have to use the software over here. Now if you don't have the software, you can easily download the software by downloading the installer in their homepage, and you will be able to automatically download it when you create your account. Now over here right now, this is the drive view of the script wherein you could see all the different projects that you have worked on before. Now there are two ways to edit videos in this script, and I'm going to demonstrate them to you. Now I'm going to click on new project right now to show you. So let's click on new project. Now the first way is to upload a file that you will be editing or like having a transcription of, or you could also upload a file or a simple file without the transcription. Now in this script, the way you edit videos is usually through the transcription. You can still edit it without the transcription if ever you run out of the transcription remaining over here, the remaining minutes, but there will be some limitations. So for example, let's go here. To be able to edit videos, you're going to have to add them over here by clicking on insert. You have all of this option. You have file into script, file, scene, marker, speaker label, comments, inline notes, recording, text, caption, rectangle, ellipse, waveform, progress bar, and arrow over here. Now, you could either use the file into script, which is the file that will turn your videos into a transcription as well, wherein you could edit that, or you can simply upload a file. Now, when you click on file itself, you will be able to upload any file that you want. For example, let's go with this one over here. Click on open, and as you can see, it's adding the file into our workspace over here or our project section over here. So we're simply going to wait. Now I have noticed that whenever I upload a file, it's going to limit itself to 5 seconds only. As you can see here, the playback is 5 seconds and I won't be able to increase this. What I noticed between the normal file upload and the transcription upload. In the normal, or rather in the transcription upload, I will be able to edit the entire duration right away, but I can notice that in this file upload only, I can only edit or like preview 5 videos or 5 seconds of the video, as you can see here. Now I can add more over here by uploading another one, just like that, but you won't be able to like continue the same video. So let's see again, just like that, and we could upload it again. That's going to upload like the first 5 seconds again, and that is like the limitation for that. So I'm also going to show you how you could upload the one for transcription and how it works. And so we're simply going to wait for this one to finish uploading first, and there we go. We can see added layer over here. We can click on include in script, and as you can see, I won't be able to do that because I ran out of transcription minutes over here, and I would need to upgrade my plan to be able to use the transcription again. So the other way is to upload the file in transcription. Like I said here, this is the file into script. Now we're going to use or demonstrate it on another project because I already did that on another project, which is this one over here. And this is what it's going to look like when you upload a file in transcription. As you can see, it will automatically make a transcription of your entire video. This video has 9 minutes and 49 seconds in total, and as you can see here, this is every word that I have said in the video that I have uploaded. And this is usually the best way to edit your videos in Descript. For example, over here at the start, let's say how to use Google Calendar for project. Let's play it.
How to use Google Calendar for project management.
You see, those are the words I said. Now I can edit the video by deleting sections of the transcription over here. So let's say I would like to remove project management. I'm simply going to click on backspace until I remove that words that I don't like. Just like that. Now the word or the sentence is how to use Google Calendar. Let's see if we were able to limit it. Play.
How to use Google Calendar in today's guide.
See, we were able to remove the words that we didn't want to hear. And that is how you will be able to edit in the script. You can simply listen through each and every word, or like just play and listen to your video. And if ever there's a sentence or like a sound or like a word that you don't like, you can simply select it and you will be able to remove it. You can also use different features, like when you click on plus over here, you will be able to add more things over here. Or you could also click on write over here, which would allow you to write like a specific word that you would like the AI or the text to speech to say instead. So let's say Google Calendar is very useful and fun. Let's say that. Let's click on that. Now what you will do is you're going to scroll up, select a voice over here. Right now it's selected for me. And let's play it directly on this section. So let's control S.
Schedule and manage project-related activities.
We're going to click on Control S so that
We can create separate calendars for different projects.
it's basically going to like set this up and scan it on how it would work. So let's wait for this. Let's remove this for now. And let's see if we were able to like have this as a transcripted or like a text to speech voice over here. Right now, let's see if we will be able to do the overdub. Assign voice, then use my voice over here. Done. Then let's see. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let's see.
To schedule and manage project-related activities.
Right now, I don't think it's working because it doesn't have enough data of my voice, but you could use other voices as well. So you could go here, click on our voice over here, stock voices. You could choose from multiple stock voices, basically AI voices over here. You can see you have all of this. For example, Henry. I'm going to select Henry. And let's go here.
We can
It's going to scan this. Sometimes it works, or there is some issues with our Descript right now, like a server issue. But
activities.
usually it will replace or use a voice of an AI to say these words over here. Now, you could do also like direct editing or like property editing, like over here on the right side. You have your audio effects, opacity, layout effects, green screen, and animations over here. You could edit those. You could add more media by clicking this option over here at the top. You could add a recording, add more text like subtitles, text, or captions. You could add shapes into your video over here. For example, waveform, you could drag that on. As you can see, there will be a waveform in this section. We could delete that as well. This is good, or this could be good for when you're editing a YouTube video, stuff like that. And you could also add like different templates over here, as you can see, like title templates, caption templates, intros, all of those stuff, depending on what you would like to need. And after editing your videos, after doing the stuff that you would like to do, you can simply click on publish over here on the top right, over here, as you can see, and you will be able to export and publish your video. Now, there's also something called shorten word gaps option over here, remove filler words and more. When you click this, you could shorten word gaps. Clicking this, as you can see, and you could click on apply to all. There will be here more. You could use this, remove filler words, just like that. Remove media, correct transcription. I think you're going to have to select the entire text over here to do this. Remove filler words. Right now, it doesn't really find any filler words, so it won't be able to remove editing. So that is how you can also use that feature. You can also search for a specific word that you have said in this section. And after publishing, you could go back here, go back to properties, and you will be able to also find it on the downloaded section over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.